All right. Oh yeah, Scott, we're clear. This is the next one. So hey guys, welcome to BM and Hobby Breaks. Today we'll be breaking 6 boxes of 2020-21 Topps Chrome UEFA Champions League. Before we get started, it'd be great if you could give the channel a subscribe and follow our Instagram on the bottom left. Helps us out a lot. And we'd love to tag you in your hits too. So and also in the description, there's a couple links, primarily the Discord ones. Keep your eye out on that. Lots of good breaks there. We do a lot of breaks there regularly, and a lot of good breakers in those Discords. So give that a join, and we'd appreciate it very much. All right, here we get going. 6 boxes. Box number 1. Oh, one moment. Sorry, guys. Okay. All right. Yeah, join Discord, everyone. Whew. Man, opening a lot of packs definitely my arm is like going to the gym. All right, here we go. Box 1. Good luck, everybody. Orange coming. That's going to be sick. Savic, refractor. Oh, wow. Right off the bat. That's pretty nice. Pink to 75. 175. Mason. Greenwood. What's a gym? I need the stamina to do the breaks. I gotta go to the gym. 168 or 175. Alright, here we go. Eric Garcia. I will sleeve all the rookies. Every single rookie will be sleeved, so don't you worry about that. I'm just not sleeving them right now for the sake of time. Make sure no one gets bored of watching me open boxes. Jeremy Doku. Tyler Adams. Purple, Emil Forsberg. That one is numbered 24 of 250. Take care of that in a sec. Messi, Sergio Ramos, Lang, and what's our orange today? But saw PSG colors, but not the PSG we wanted. This is Orange Bubbles. Pereira for PSG. Grats, PSG. I guess orange is an orange. Richards and refractor Hakimi. This guy sounds really familiar. He was in last year's too, huh? 24 250 and nice Kai Havertz, clean looking refractor, very nice. That's Chelsea. Here we go. KDB refractor. 1 sec. Natenda for Juve and Gnabry Serge Gnabry of 299. That is 297 of 299. Yellow diamonds. Valverde. Nico Williams. Hee-chan Huang. Rookie Anthony. I think what's super straining is that all the cards are backwards like this, or wrong orientation, because it like kind of uses my Antonio. It uses like a little bit more arm power to flip. Oh wow, that's cool. Pepe auto. Porto, 36 of 150. Pepe auto. Wow, that's pretty awesome. I feel like it's awesome because we haven't seen much variation in nicer autos. So that's a pretty nice auto to 150, and a Pedri rookie. Nice Pedri. All right, Van de Beek and Cesar. Let's go through this. Always avoid having a blue PP. Let me get this guy out of the way. Mukoko, number 1. First one in this half of the case. Larouche, Tillman. Refractor, Marquez for Juve, rookie. Joao Felix, Mason Mount. This guy comes up so much. Pereira Speckle, Onana, Foden, Joga Bonito Valverde, Real Madrid, Weston McKennie refractor, that's pretty nice. Jesus, Mengi, who the heck, Nahouse, Golasso, Martinez for Inter Milano, Gravenberch, Holland, future star. I feel like this doesn't come up a lot. Neymar, Malcolm, and Hee-chan Huang. I feel like this is I haven't seen too many of these, considering how many like Pulisic ones and whatnot have come up. So it's kind of interesting. So clean. KDB. Beautiful. Alright. Nice box 1. Nothing too crazy to write home about. Hope we can pull a 1 of 1. So, wow. What the heck happened there? Hope we can pull a 1 of 1. Opening so many cases of this stuff eventually would be nice. Damn, just like casually reading the back card as I open these. This is going to be a pretty good box for, I think at the very least, Barcelona and maybe maybe some other teams too. Saw that, Felix? All right, here we go. Okay. Box number 2. Sterling, Tyler Adams, Portanova refractor, and Mukoko. And off the bat, still no Jude. Racking up Mukokos. There you go. Where was this posted? This was from eBay. Mbappe, I did not think we would fill them so fast in Discord. So then I had intended on posting a couple cases of this on eBay over the weekend, but decided against it. Was busy over the weekend, but I could not cancel Fridays in time. 147 of 250. I'll probably end up doing some of both in the future anyway. It's kind of nice to be able to fill the breaks and just come and do them. Managing the break as they fill. Ooh, nice. Mason Greenwood. Managing the breaks as they fill on Discord can be a little bit annoying. So, Ziyech, refractor. Jesus again. Malik Tillman, rookie, speckled. Sorry, yellow diamonds. 187 of 299. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it depends. Like, honestly, sometimes it feels really fast and it's awesome. Ooh, that's really nice, actually. Graven Birch refractor. Sometimes it feels really fast and it's super nice. But other days when it takes forever, it just feels like I gotta stay there and manage it. And it can be kind of annoying to sell a lot of cases. So, disgusting. Okay. Sorry, guys. Definitely didn't think that was going to happen. 187 of 299. I don't think it's going to snap fill again. Not for a case. A lot of the teams are kind of expensive. So I just don't. Oh, wow. Oh my God. I'm so sorry, Beavis. Oh my God. Oh God. Congratulations, Leipzig. Oh. Oof. 22 of 25. Tyler Adams, Leipzig. Do you have? I don't think does he have it in this? 22 of 25. I don't think he has it, huh? All right. I'm sorry, man. Ronaldo Golasso, Fuente, Joga Bonito, Camavinga. That's pretty nice. Let's get that into a. See what happens when you troll me on eBay. Sorry, man. Camavinga, Joga Bonito. Oh, wow. Yeah, this is what I thought I saw. Serginho Dest, refractor. Beautiful. Barcelona. Good start. Yeah, wait. Let me just pile up Barcelona cards over here, as well as the Camavinga cards over here. All right. Reina. Can't pronounce that. Camavinga. Oh, wow. Man, you. Camavinga. And look at that. Mason Greenwood. Teal Wave. Man, you. 24 of 199. Can never remember the number. Nice one, man, you. What? What is what?
The auto Leipzig one. Who's that?
Tyler Adams.
Oh.
It kind of sucks because Beavis was like he wants a Tyler
Not
Adams.
Tyler Adams?
He wanted Tyler Adams auto, but he had it in the first half. Oh, I'm so sorry. I feel terrible. But congratulations on whoever hit that. Hi, Dada. And there we go. Okay. We'll go for the future case break. We'll hit the 101. Donnie Van de Beek. Soppy refractor. Oh wow. Yeah, this is what I thought I saw. Is everything okay?
Okay.
Another Dest. Another Dest speckle thing refractor. Very nice for Barca. Good start for Barca, honestly. 2 boxes in. Ansu Fati. Refractor LaRouche and Pereira again. So that's box 2. Decent start. 0 Jude. 0 Jude. So I think there's going to be at least 2 or 3 Jude base just in the last 4 boxes based on the case average. Hopefully that's the case. Yes, that's max. Alright. That was that loud. It said Max sounds like he got hurt.
I'm fine.
Last year on release day, I think we pulled a 1 of 1, right?
Shavies, right?
Oh, Yonde got. Oh, I didn't realize Yonde had the Barcelona in the first half.
So, hello, sir.
Would you wait? So, wow. So most of this is just everyone in Discord anyway. That's so ironic. I should just post it in Discord. Ugh. Alright, well, today I learned. It's Big Money Nation. No, but that wasn't on release day. That was something else, I think. It was the second case, I believe. I'm just going to get that auto in the back out of the way. PSG. Teal auto. Oh my God. Pablo Sarabia. I know that name. The only PSG auto in Finest 1920. I think. Was it that guy? Yeah, I didn't realize that. I should have definitely just done another break in Discord. I really did not think it was gonna fill that fast. I remember asking Max like, "Oh, I don't know who's gonna buy this team or that team or this team," and like, "Oh, it filled." Anthony Van de Beek. Oh my God, that Man U spot, man. Jesus. Mason Greenwood, pink. Diamonds 175. Look at your Mason Greenwood rainbow you got going. Refractor. I'm gonna learn to pronounce this. Upamecano. Pedri. Rookie. Some teams way cheaper, yeah. Some teams like Salzburg went for a lot more. So I think it just depends on the team. People are probably still adjusting their prices. As oh wow, Serginho Dest, Refractor, Barcelona, nice one. Put both of these back here. Wow, 2. You got 2 refractors. So this just goes to show it doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter which what hits in the first half. The second half can hit all the same. Rookie refractor, Sar. Rookie Mengi. Golasso. Erling Haaland. Larouche. Valverde. Joga Bonito. Jesus. Neymar. Soppy. You have a refractor of Playet. Braut Holland. Mbappe. Golasso Neymar. And rookie Borkowski. Let's get some of these in sleeves. The Man U and Chelsea. Yeah, I want to say that, but I actually don't know what the value is on stuff like that. Like, as much as that's cool, I don't know if, like, I don't know if there's like a good comp or something like that already, but it's not anywhere near his actual, it's not his rookie, right? So, yo, alright, Buzzkill, wrong, this is the new Marco Reus, Rainier Jesus. That is 219 of 299. Yeah, I think, but you're right. I think I will definitely look at Purple Carbon Soppy for Stade. Let me get some more top loaders again. I think I'll definitely look at the prices that they're bidding to and what the other soccer breakers are selling stuff at, so we can adjust the price. I think a lot of people are still adjusting. Yeah, but like, you know, you prefer to get the other two, right? Okay, it's not as bad as Marco Reus, but Leroy Sané, Refractor, Reece James, Leo Messi. Still no Jude, but another Makoko base. Triple Makoko. Musiala, Atletico, Camelo rookie purple, and Foden. Who is the speckle on Madrid? It's this guy, Camelo. I don't know. Rookie, forward. Maybe that means something good.
It's one of the better chases.
Max says it's one of the better chases. This is purple, 150 of 250. And Musiala. Just like such a friendly kid. Look at that. Was that the first Musiala? I think that may have been the first Musiala. Wow. Okay, so we're expecting a lot of base in the second half. That's been missing. Interesting. I mean, we got the prices from looking at a lot of you know, soccer breakers, golden goal, GV, you know, all their prices. So it is sort of a compiled price list from most people. But yeah, I agree. There's some that are wrong. And yeah, Silent G, I definitely agree with that. I do think Chelsea should have been a little bit lower. And in future breaks, it will be probably. I think Salzburg probably needs to be a little more expensive. Juve probably a little bit cheaper. And then the top end, I think because the case averages are still that darn good. Oh my goodness. The case averages are still that good. Probably need to raise some of the Makoko, Jude, you know, especially if you're doing a case. Like, you're guaranteed like 6 space or something, so. Billy, it's mostly just Billy, right? Billy, and then like Mason Mount second year, that type of stuff. So I agree. I do think the price is a little bit high. There's a reason they probably are priced higher than normal because I think they just won, right? So oh my god, Barcelona, have yourself a break. They just won UCL, so their fandomship is all-time high. I think that might be why, and for the bigger guys who break a lot more, they have the audience to support just like fandom shit prices. All right, here we go. Was GV prices higher than normal? Did you look at it this morning? I didn't realize it was higher than normal.
Like all the teams, or I looked at some of the teams that are pretty.
Wait,
High-end is pretty on par with the other one.
I think the thing is, these box prices vary super wildly. That's why it might feel that way. The box price that I used in the Discord break was definitely pretty. What the? Oh, wait. This isn't a redemption, is it? It's not. We're just short a card. That seems kind of silly. Musiala. Yeah, that's the thing, right? The box prices vary so wildly that it's really difficult for like, some people like you can reasonably say $600 is fine, right? Like it's pretty good because a lot of breakers are charging $700, right? So it's hard to say with a product like this because the soccer stuff just so wildly varies based on people dumping allocations. Orange. Oh! Kamavinga orange. Who got stayed? Orange bubbles. That's huge. That's pretty nice. Orange bubbles though, but that is pretty huge. All right, Griezmann, Anjorin, Refractor, Sergio Ramos, Noah Lang, Pulisic, Joao, and Upamecano. Did I say that right?
Yeah.
Upamecano. Okay. All right. I think I saw the backs of this, and it seemed like there was a lot of Gravenberch, Bonito. I saw that there was a lot of Barcelona, so let's see if that pans out. Rookie Perrin. Golasso, Timo Werner. There's our first goddamn Jude in the break so far. 4 boxes in. It's about time. All right. Neymar. Mason Greenwood Refractor. Are you kidding me? I didn't even sleeve the base yet. I mean, I put it in the rookie pile of the sleeve, but man, you have yourself a break. See how it sells for. Trini Cow. Purple. I thought I saw it. Purple Pedri to 250. Nice one there. Barcelona. This was the first half Barcelona was not bad whatsoever. This apparently this half has been pretty darn good for the parallels too. Phil Foden. Greenwood owns spot. Then Manu would Serginho Dest. Then Manu would be literally, what would you even be buying in Manu? And Brandon Williams? Mengi. Kenneth Taylor, Speckle. Ronaldo, and look, I'm not even joking at this point. The number of Juve autos per case seems to be the highest. It's just not necessarily Ronaldo auto. Marquez auto. Nice one, Man U. Brandon Williams. Trent Alexander-Arnold. Nico Williams. Refractor. Okay. And Pedri. Another Pedri rookie. All others it. Nice Pedri. Alright, this Barca stack is getting fat. Doesn't even fit on one stand anymore. Pereira. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I think that's why I saw Barca and like, Jesus. Serginho Dest to 175. Wow. That's where all the Barca color was hiding. Jesus. How do we top that? Okay. Finish out this box. Alphonso Davies, Sancho, and Mendy rookie. So these in sleeves. All right, 2 more boxes. Okay. Didn't hit anything yet. Hopefully this half, the last 2 is good. Whew, my fingers are dead. Alrighty. Box number 5. Here we go. Gold coming. That's going to be cool. Refractor Immobile. Is that really? Yeah, it really is Immobile.
Immobile, I think.
Immobile. Okay. Such a terrible name for a soccer player. Oh, nice. Juve. Nintendo. Teal to 199. 166 of 199. Gio Reyna, Alphonso Davies, and La Rushi for Liverpool. Gold bubbles. Nice one, Liverpool. Julio Cesar. Ooh, that's nice. Ronaldo. Refractor. Very clean looking. Jeep. Julio Cesar, Bonito. Kenneth Taylor, rookie. Dominique. La Fuente, Nico Williams, Dybala, and Hee-chan Hwang. Just gonna top load all the Hollands. All right. There we go. Mason Mount. Ooh, wow. Camavinga refractor. Not a lot of base for Camavinga this case, actually, even. But orange and now a refractor, so last one stayed. Rookie Mengi. Future stars. There you go. Joao. Gravenberch. Nice. Borowski. Speckle Malcolm. Anjorin. And what we have here. Kenneth Taylor. Ajax. Auto. Scribbles. Alright, Fatih, Mbappe, Colette Dakar. Nice, Raheem Sterling from Man City, 44 of 250. Alright. Serginho Dest. Virgil van Dijk. Purple goalie, Carneshi. 211 of 250. Doku. La Fuente refractor rookie. Jude number 2. I can't believe this is only the second Jude. So I would say there's probably at least one Jude in the last box. Likely. Golasso Neymar. Pulisic. Trinicao. Rookie. I'm running out of space for that Barca. I'm just going to leave that there. Nice one. Adeyemi refractor. It's a pretty sweet one. Erling Braut Holland. Larouci. Oh my. What? Another one? Pedri to 175.
Wow.
Jesus. This was, look at that freaking Barca stack of hits. Doesn't even fit on a stand anymore. Oh my god. Alright. Nice one. Barcelona having a nice break there. I'm just going to stop using a stand. There's no point. Yeah, Antonio and Phil Foden. Yeah, I know. I mean, again, all the rookies. The nice refractor, La Fuente. I honestly didn't know he was American, but all the cards ship, all the rookies will get top loaded. So yeah, that guy will not be left out. Sorry, all the rookies will get sleeved. The bus has Barca, yeah. Ridiculous. All right, last box before we call it a night and get to shipping and sorting. If you guys are in any of these breaks and you're also in Sports Card Investor or the Discords, I'm going to probably just mark the eBay as shipped and then ship it with your the other break package, just FYI. I mean, this one clearly worked out for Barca, though. You buy the big spot enough, it's gonna hit. This is the end of break number 2. I'll upload both the videos right after for break 1 and 2, so you'll be able to catch it. All right, last box. Thanks everyone for participating. Do a quick recap at the end. I do a recap of the hits on the wall, but there's just like if you just look at the number of top loaded cards, it's a lot. So I don't usually do it. I can do it for this one. I don't think it's as many as last. I'm trying to control the number I top load, but oh, whoops, cut right to the middle. Juan Bernat, green auto for PSG, 14 of 99. Congrats, PSG. I do a recap usually of at least the wall hits, but the stack of, oh my god, Mason Greenwood yellow diamonds. Good god. What the heck happened in this case? Alright, nice one, man. You. Salzburg. Okay. Well, yeah, I should be better about doing the recaps. Just we're always late. Dodo, Refractor. Well, I'm always late. I'm always a little bit behind schedule, so I don't do the full recap. Nice Mason Mount Refractor. Green, Kellner, goalkeeper, or teal to 199, 126 of 199. We got here Mason Greenwood. Oh Jesus, I thought that was another. That's a Mukoko base, but we have a Griezmann purple carbon. Mukoko base. Oh, you got Man U. Oh, that's amazing. That was a good one for Greenwood. The first half wasn't bad either, though, is the thing, right? Sancho. Okay. Brandon Williams, nice rookie there. Refractor rookie. Kosondu. Camavinga. There's a small shortage of Camavinga. Billy Gilmore. Nice. Jude Bellingham. Well, so not numbered, but that's pretty cool. Joga Bonito. Jude Bellingham. Very nice. The Yemi. Refractor rookie Baker. PSG. Ronaldo. Oh, very nice. Timo Werner and another Mukoko behind that. Timo Werner to 250. Mukoko right behind that. It's a lot of base. Jesus. All right, let's keep going. Hakimi, rookie Mengi, and rookie Larouche. All right, last stack again. Thank you everyone. Oh, orange. Thank you everyone for joining. You can probably expect it to be shipped out on Monday. Yeah, it's gonna take a little bit to pack everything over the weekend, but yeah, by Monday it's probably. Oh wow, Refractor Jude Bellingham. Jeez, both halves eating on Dortmund. Very nice. I think Dortmund for both the earlier one and this one had a pretty solid break, so that's pretty cool. Gio Reyna, Phil Foden, that's pretty nice. Chen Huang. All right, here it comes, the orange. Thanks everyone for joining. Hope it's something good. Oh wow, we pulled the red and the orange. Vinicius Jr. To 25, 15 of 25. Real Madrid. Not bad on the card quality actually. The edge is not as bad as some of the other. There you go. Vinicius Jr. orange. Wow. Red and orange in one day. That's pretty cool. Ansu Fati refractor. And Golasso Martinez as the last card. All right, yeah, I'll do a quick hit recap. It's going to be a lot of cards, so I'll kind of go kind of fast. But yeah, the video will be uploaded after anyway. So if you watch it at 2x speed, shouldn't take you too long to go through all the cards and hits. Phil Foden, and a nice Fati refractor if he comes back and plays. I'll top load that. There you go. All right, here we go. Let's just go through this real quick. Pereira orange. I'm just gonna shuffle through them. I'm not gonna read everyone off. I'll go through the wall though, and we can look at that a little more carefully. Oh, Trini Cow should be up here. Ronaldo. All right. Yeah, thanks, Scott. So let's take a look at this. We got the orange Vinicius. It's pretty nice. Pepe, blue Pepe to 150 auto. Bayern didn't do too well in this one, so I apologize for that. We just got 2 of these base Musialas. There's probably some other refractors and whatnot, but in terms of the rookie chase, I realize it's not great, so I apologize. Hopefully next time we do better. Tyler Adams orange, 22 of 25. Camavinga, we got 2 base, a refractor, a Bonito, and an orange bubbles. Makoko was land of base, 5 base. Bellingham, we got Joga Bonito, 2 base, and a nice clean refractor. Mason Greenwood, wow, just wow. Refractor, pink, teal, yellow diamonds. And Barcelona, really nice break for Barcelona. I'll take out all the base. I won't even go over the base. You got a small handful of base, not as much as normal, but just look at this. You got a Pedri, pink diamonds, Serginho Dest, pink diamonds, purple Pedri, refractor Dest, and a speckle Dest. So that is amazing. All right, thanks guys. I appreciate that. That was a fun release day. Hope to see you guys around in more breaks. But yeah, join the Discord, join the follow the Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good rest of your Friday. Bye.